Hi everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can add a custom robot.txt file to your Blogger website. So let's understand what is a robot.txt and how you can implement it in your Blogger website. So robot.txt is a file that tells search engine to index those pages and which pages to not index in Google search result. So you can add a set of rules and Google will follow that rules to index the pages. So let's check how you can do that. So first of all, let's go to the Blogger dashboard here and let's click on settings, and let me scroll down to bottom, and here you will see an option crawlers and indexing. So this is the most important part so that it may break your site from indexing. So make sure to follow it as shown in this video. So make sure to click on enable custom robot.txt, and after that you will see an option custom robot.txt. So before that, let me click on view blog here and let me copy the homepage URL first. And after that, I can search for robot.txt, and here you will see our website techyleaf.in. So let's click on that. Also, I will include the link of this tool in the description. So all you have to do is just enter your website link here and let's hit generate. So it will generate the robot.txt code for your website. So let me copy that and let's go to the settings and click on custom robot.txt and just hit paste. And here, as you can see, you have added your sitemap as well, sitemap dash pages and sitemap.xml. So make sure to submit the sitemap in Google Search Console as well. So I will show you later how you can do that. Once you added the custom robot.txt, just enable custom robots header tag and click on home page, and here you need to index your home page, and let's enable the no dp option. Let's hit save. Now if you want to no index your archive pages, that means the category pages, then you can set no index here, or you can set it as all as well if you want to index your category pages. So I don't want to index all of my category pages, so I will set it as no index. Let's hit save. Now let's click on post and page, make sure to set it as all, and let's click on no dp, click on save. Alright, now you need to go to the Google Search Console. So let me click on that. So here you will get the link of Google Search Console, and after that let's click on add property. So here you will get two options. So I will select the URL prefix here and let me add the home page URL here. So let me click on here, let's click on continue. So it will verify the property and it will be auto verified, or you can verify it using the HTML tag. So let me click on go to property, and if it is not auto verified, then you can go to settings, and here let's click on ownership verification, and here you will ask you to click on any of the verification method. So let me click on HTML tag. Let me copy the HTML tag. Let's go to the Blogger's themes and let's click on edit HTML. Here you need to find the head tag of your theme code and paste it below that. Alright, let's click on save. Now let's go back to Google Search Console. Let's click on verify. And you can see that it is saying verification is successful. So this is how you can verify your website in Google Search Console. Now all you have to do is go to sitemap, and here you need to add the sitemap.xml. So I will type like sitemap.xml and let's hit submit. And as you can see, sitemap submitted successfully. Let's click on that. And here you will see a status like could not fetch. So it will take some time to change from status could not fetch to successful. So make sure to wait for a few hours, and after that it will be automatically set at successful. And you can also add a pages sitemap as well. So let me go to settings, scroll down here, and here you can see we have added two sitemaps, sitemap.xml and sitemap-pages.xml. So I can also submit the pages sitemap. So let's go to that and let me paste it here and let's hit submit, and here it is. Now you can verify your sitemap pages. So let me add / and paste it here, sitemap-pages.xml, and here you will see the list of URLs of your pages. So if you go to pages, then you will see all these pages. So all the published pages will be appear in this sitemap page. Or you can also go to sitemap.xml, and here you will find URLs of your post. So if you go to post, and all the published post will be listed here in this URL sitemap.xml. So when Google bot crawl your website, they can see your sitemap pages and index all these URLs in Google search result. So this is how you can generate a robot.txt file for your Blogger website and submit your website to Search Console. If you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.